Hi viewers, welcome back to the fourth session of MS PowerPoint. Now we are going in advanced mode with the designing phase. So here you see this simple PowerPoint slide presentations, how it is designed. You see these different types of options available. When you click on a specific icon, so it goes to that slide, and here you can add your details of presentations and how to um, use these colors. So all this I am going to tell you in details in just 15 minutes. So bear with me, watch the video till the end. You will see a lot of techniques on how to design a great presentation. In our previous session, we developed this project timeline, and in this session now we will go on how to make some more designs and further slides with more innovative ideas. As I shared in my previous session of PowerPoint also, that when you need colors combination, so you can visit this site colors.co. You can see in the address bar colors.co slash palettes, and then you when you come here you can select from trending, latest, popular, so it will be filtered. So you see these are the colors combination, a lot of color combination you can see here, and you can just pick um, any palettes from here and then use the desired eyedropper to apply these colors to your presentation. So there are many, and the shortcut key to take a snapshot from here is Shift, Window key, and S. When you press Shift, Window key, and S, so it gives you to take a snapshot. So you just select the required one with the mouse while pressing Shift, Window key, and S, and then just go to your presentation or file and just paste it there. Control V. So you can have a colors combination, and then these colors you can use in your PowerPoint with just the help of eyedropper. I will show you this. And for free icons and vectors, etc., this is a very good site, so you can visit this site also. Here you can find different type of free icons. You just need to give attribution. So here you can find a lot of free icons, for example, related to planning. If I say so, you see a lot of icons and a lot of different ideas. You can pick anyone among them. So now for background, I have already these colors combinations I have already taken from the colors.com, and now what I have to do, I have to applying background colors to my slides. So the first slide, I go to design. In the design tab, background, format background, and here you can see this color and solid fill I have selected. And here from here I don't have to select any color. I just take the eyedropper and say this is my first slide. So the color is already applied. Now in the next slide I would need a different color, this one, and then in the next slide this one, and then in the next slide this one, and this. So I will just go to each slide, okay, and I will select the design. I will go to the design tab, background color, solid fill, and then select the next color that I want for my um, different slides. So in this way I will apply these colors to all my 5 slides because I need 5 slides. I have named it a section working, and the below one which I have already developed, but I am just trying to show you how I did this. So that should be renamed with the final one. And let's hide that fill for the time being. Okay. We have these slides. I just applied the background colors. Okay. Now I need those icons. The icons are already here with me. And if you need the icon, so you can go to the insert and icons, or you can also visit the site free vector icon that I just shared with you the website. So now since I already have these icons, so I will just take them from here. I will, because we had grouped them, so I will ungroup all of them and then just select with control and mouse key all the icons and will paste them here. And for the time being, I am applying white background colors to each of the graphic. Now, now I need uh, a shape like this, for example, a shape like this. So for this, what I would do, first of all, let me place these icons in order. Okay, PowerPoint will help you to streamline these things. And then select all, just bring them a little bit up. And now you can go to graphic format and align them while using distribute vertically. When you click that, so vertically the spaces between each icon would be same. Click this, so it is adjusted now. Now I need that rectangle shape, so I will just try to make a rectangle. Okay, almost this much is enough. White background, and it must be in the front. Now I need to make that shape, so I will pick a circle and I will make the circle here with Control Shift and will place it right in front of this icon here. When you are placing it, so you should see the red dotted line. It tells you that whether you are in line with the shape or not. Why I am doing it to be in line with the shape? Because I will need these shapes to be fitted here. So that's why for from now. Okay, now this circle should be white background and there should not be any outline. Okay, okay, subtract. So you see here I have that shape. Now I need such type of shapes, five such shapes, because for this one and this one and this one and this one. So what I do, I just control D, keep it here, control D before subtraction. Okay, control D, keep it here. So I have placed it with control D 5 times. Why I did this? Just to make everything same, so that there should not be any difference. And this rectangle, this rectangle outlines are there, so I should make them no outline. And now you just go to home and pick the format painter and just click this shape, double click the format painter so you can use it for multiple shapes. I will bring this circle here, and when it is completely in line with this shape, it should be. Now you see the red lines? Okay, it's perfect. So I will subtract this shape here. Now this one, look at this one. So I will bring it right here. So you have to select this and then come here and subtract. Select this, come here and subtract. Now I will just take this rectangle, cut to this shape, slide, sorry, cut this one and bring it to here, cut this one and bring it to here, cut this one and bring it to the last one and here, and keep it right here. You can do this from this side also. It depends upon you. Then you will have to just, if you need it right here, so just select this dot and you can horizontally flip the rectangle also, but I am using it on that side. Now this one here, adjust it, this one here also adjust it. Now you see here I have all these icons. Okay, so I am not going to copy these icons and paste them here. First I need to make the hyperlink. So I will just click this, that whenever this icon is clicked, so it should go to the first slide. Okay, here I would say that this should, whenever this icon is clicked, here in the insert menu you go to the link, you click, and here place in this document. So here you see all the slides. So where do you want to go with this one? I want to go with to slide 2, this one. Okay, now click this one and it should go, this one is linked with slide 2, so this one should be linked with slide 3, 4, 5, 6. So I am doing it quickly now. Link 3, link 4, link 5, link 6. So these are linked now. Now I can copy and paste them in every slide. There would not be any issue. But first see, you have to place them here. How? This one, when it comes to this slide, so it should be here, and these other icons should be placed here. Bring them to front, bring them to front, and give them a dim color like this one, and keep them in the center of the rectangle. Just one time when you do this, in the other slide it would be very easy for you. Okay, so when we are in this slide, it should be visible, and then here you can add your text and all the details. When I'm in this slide, so then all these icons only, okay, not the rectangle, copy and just paste them here. But now in this slide I need this one here with that dim color, and this one I need here, and the color should be white. So in every slide, now I would be doing the same thing. Now I select these again, copy and paste. We are taking these again without the rectangle. Paste here. Now here I need this one to be highlighted. So I just give it a white color, and this one here with that dim color because it's not a slide related to this one. Okay, so now you can see this section. You see every slide when you go there, so we haven't applied any animation. Without animation it's doing this. For example, see in the slideshow, when you are in this slide, so this one is visible. When you click this, so yeah, yes, yes. This way you can animate your slides with some basic tips, you see. And if you are using a touch screen, using this presentation on a touch screen smartphone or tablet, so you just need to click these icons with your finger, and it would go to each slide like this. Then after that, when you want to add some details, for example, this one is the planning slide, so you just want to name it. So when you click on this icon here, here we should see a planning page in this line. So what I did, I just made a line from the insert, shapes and line, and colored it with the and applied white color to it. And now in the planning phase, we are here. So when you want to show here some graphs or some activities or things which you want, for example, this one I just made with rectangles. It's not the original linked. So here you can use different lines. This is the planning phase, for example, so you can copy and paste this line. For example, you can adjust the line also. Let me zoom it. You can say, can make it a bit up so that the line, you can use this line, you can reduce its side according to the text, other related things, so you can apply those all in this shape. Now I am going to copy and paste this to every slide so that I may add the headings. For example, this one is the execution phase. It should be written there. This one is the monitoring phase, so it should be written here. This should be the evaluation phase. So you can make these slides for different things. For example, you are sharing some progress, so you can add this component 1, component 2, component 3, or you can add different topics to them. So it depends upon you, monitoring phase, execution phase, and then closure. So you can use these slides for different purposes. For example, this first slide, this one I use not for the project timeline. I want to use this for the progress, achievements, challenges, issues. So you are going just you just need to do to bring relevant icons and just edit this text and use those icon here also. In this rectangle and this rectangle is already good for you, so you can use it. Now for example, if I go to the slideshow, so you see planning phase. When I am here, when I click this one, so execution phase, all the relevant, monitoring phase, and then the evaluation phase, and then the closure. So you can add different ideas to your slides. But what I did, I just wanted to share with you some ideas about designing, some colorings, and how can you animate your slides with these cut shapes and intersections. So you can make any type of shape from different shapes. For example, I have this one, okay, and I want a shape. Come here, for example, this is rectangle and this one. So I want a shape, for example, like this. Okay, I want a shape like this. So I would select both these items. I have a lot of option now. Shape format, merge shapes, union, this one combining, this one is fragmenting. Here you can use intersect, the other shape would be removed, subtract. So when you press subtract, so you see you have another shape. You can generate hundreds of ideas and you can make all those possibles with the help of these for shape formatting and merging shapes. Edit points, you can use edit points option. For example, let me make it a bit zoom in. You see here, you can and especially when you have pressed control shift, so it would be very easy for you to use it. You can just make any type of shape from it. So thank you so much for watching, and if you need this presentation in soft, so please inform and I will share with you. Thank you. अगर आपको अच्छा लगे ये वीडियो तो प्लीज़ अपने कमेंट शेयर करें। अगर आपके कुछ क्वेश्चंस हो तो प्लीज़ रिस्पॉन्ड करें। मैं आपको टेक्स्ट या दूसरे वीडियो से ज़रूर रिस्पॉन्स दूंगा। और इस चैनल को सब्सक्राइब करें ताकि आपको इस तरह के वीडियोस आगे मिलते जाए। थैंक यू सो मच।